June 22nd in the year of our Lord, 2022. My, a 5.9. 5.9 earthquake has hit, of all places, eastern Afghanistan. At least 1,000 people have lost their life, and there will be earthquakes in diverse places. And I said the other day on my channel, the earthquakes are on an uptick. They are increasing with the velocity and earth shaking. And now the casualties, hundreds are likely still trapped beneath the rubble. Helicopters evacuating. Powerful earthquake kills at least 1,000 people in Afghanistan. Afghanistan look at destruction. Afghans look at destruction caused by an earthquake in the province of Paktika, eastern Afghanistan. Bakhtar News Agency, Associated Press. I'm not sure how to get to more of the story. I believe it's right here. Let me see if we can scroll down a little bit. Here it is. Still trying to work this new computer. The death toll from a powerful earthquake in Afghanistan has climbed to 1,000, with more than 1,500 others wounded, according to Taliban's the Culture and Information Department, as rescuers try to reach the site of the disaster in remote Paktika and Kos provinces. The United States Geological Survey said the magnitude of the earthquake in the early hours of Wednesday was 5.9, revising an initial estimate. I'll go with the 6.1. They always revise and lower the magnitude. 6.1, the epicenter of the tremor was about 27 miles from the city, near the Pakistani border, the USGS said. Dozens killed. People are digging grave after grave, said Mohammed Amin Hassafa, head of the Information and Culture Department in hard-hit Afghanistan. And then again, here we are. Al Jazeera's earthquake. At least 1,000 killed. 1,500 injured. Signs of his imminent return. He's coming. Are you ready? Are you born again? Are you saved? Thank you for watching. If you love this channel and love what we do with our homeless outreach ministry, please, if you find it in your heart to support our ministry, all the links will be below. God bless you all. Let me sign out. God bless everybody.